Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add downloadable documents to Google Sites. The first thing I want you to do once you're on Google Sites, I want you to open a new tab and you're going to go onto elfsite.com. Once on elfsite.com, you're going to hover over widgets in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you can either select File Embed or you could select PDF Embed, whichever one of these options suits you. So either File Embed or PDF Embed. For this example, I'm going to be selecting PDF Embed. After you have done that, you can scroll down and I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. From here, you can see different templates that you can choose from. So for example, we could select this template right here, or you could select this one, and on this one you can see the different magazines. So these are just some preloaded examples. After selecting the template that you would like to use, you're going to tap on continue with this template. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and from here you could tap on the three dots. Then you are going to tap on edit. After selecting edit, you can change the preview cover. So let's say for example, I would like to add my own cover. So all I would need to do is you could tap right here that says replace. After you have done that, I'm going to be uploading a cover that I have created in Canva. So I would simply upload the ebook cover right there. Now after you have done that, as you can see right here, you'll simply scroll down and you can see the option done. We're going to tap on done in the top right there. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you can change the rest of them as you can see right there. You could scroll down and you could change all of the other ones. So you could tap on the three dots right there once more and you could tap on edit. Then after tapping on edit, again, if you would like to change the cover, you could do that. Or if you would simply like to delete it, you could tap on remove right there and you will remove it. Then you'll tap on done. And we can tap on the three dots and we'll tap on delete also. After doing that, you're going to tap on the files that you have added. For example, this file right here, this ebook cover. Then right where you see file and you can see the date, you're going to tap where you see the date and you're going to tap on upload file. So you can either add file URL or you can upload the file. We're going to tap on upload file. Then from there, I'm going to be adding a PDF file. So I'll tap on open and you can see that it is being uploaded right there. Once that is finished, you'll tap on done. Then you can continue editing and you're going to tap on add to website for free in the bottom left hand corner. After tapping on add to website for free, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll get a better example of how it looks. Then from there, you're going to simply scroll down and you can observe how it looks. Then you can tap on view plans in the top right hand corner. After tapping on view plans, you are going to select the free plan which says $0. Then you are going to tap on the X to close out. Once you have closed it, you are going to tap on close once more in the top right hand corner. Then from here, all I want you to do now, you are going to tap on install. So let's select install real quick. After selecting install, you are going to tap on copy code. Once you have copied the code, you're going to go back into Google Sites, go over to the right hand menu option, tap on embed code, and you're going to paste in the code right here. Then you're going to tap on next. Now after selecting next, you're going to tap on insert. Then from there, you can adjust how it looks by simply pulling along the box right here. So we can do that real quick. And you can pull it down so you can adjust the size of it right there. Now once it is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on publish, and then from there your viewers will be able to tap on download PDF and they'll be able to download the PDF or whichever downloadable document or information you have added. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.